My name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip is from Lorraine. Lorraine, fabulous Aqua Instructor. She was part of the Aqua Mentoring group and has loads of experience. And one of the goals, or one of the things that they needed to do in the Aqua Mentoring was to put two moves that they've never put together to make together. So two moves they've never put together and put them together. And this is what she came up with, and it works really well. I'll show you what the arms are that make this work well. So I've played around with the arms. It's a side kick with your foot going down, and then a jump forwards and back. It's very simple, but this works your quads like nothing else. This is what it looks like. Kick, push, front, back. Kick, push, front, back. Kick, push, front, back. Kick, push, front, back. So, the key thing here is that push to the front when the feet go together. So you lift up, you kick to the side, you push your arms forward, because then that's what you pull your arms back to jump forwards and back. It doesn't work any other way. If you push your arms down, it feels like nothing. You don't feel like you're doing anything here. So push to the front. Okay, so push to your front when you bring your feet together. And you want to start by jumping up. You see how I did that? So jump, kick, front, knees, up. Kick, front, knees, up. Kick, front, knees, up. Kick, front, oof. It's really good cardio. Out, front, forwards, back. So how would you teach that particular move? And this is my recommendation and suggestion. First of all, you're going to kick and bring your feet together. So kick, foot down, kick, foot down, and just do it on one side. So it's kick, push, kick, push, kick, push. And then you repeat on the other side, right? Then I think you need to teach the hop up first. That's the next step. So hop and down, hop and down, hop and down, hop and down. And you could very well do that at the same time. So you teach the class to do this, kick, foot down, kick, and then whilst they're doing that on this side, say jump, push, jump, push. So they start adding the tuck. Then this is what I would suggest that you do next, is that they end up doing 3 on the spot. So it looks like this. Out, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3. Now you know where I'm going with this, right? Because now we can add the jump forwards and back. And the 1, 2, 3 allows you to alternate sides. So this is where we start now alternating sides, because we add those 3 tucks. And then you go to your class, keep going. Now we're going to jump forwards and back. So out, front, jump forwards, jump back. Out, front, jump forwards, jump back. Out, front, woo! Yes, out, front, jump and back. So this is a move that you want to build slowly, and that way you don't lose anybody and everyone gets it, and it feels like, oh my God, it gets more and more exciting as you add and layer the movement pattern. It's basically what we call layering in, well, freestyle group X. If you teach aerobics or land-based training and you're a freestyler, you know, you don't teach pre-choreograph, you know how to layer, and that is layering a movement pattern. Fabulous, Lorraine. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. We really appreciate your wisdom and your experience. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. Thank you, Lorraine Slorich, for providing this inspiration for a movement that can be taught over a period of time. This is a great combination move. So I'm going to go through some different ways that you could break this down. I'm going to go through one in particular, and it's going to build. Now, I've actually taught this in my class, so I have some awareness around this. Now, the first thing to do, and this is also going to save your body as an instructor. So the first exercise is teach them to go out, feet together, out, feet together. Now, this is really important from a muscle memory point of view, and right now there's no rebound. The key thing to teach them is arms go to the side, arms go forward, but this is very important. Knee up, out, knee up, feet down, right? The knee is the important part. Knee up, kick out, knee up, push forwards. So as an instructor, you're going to make sure that you, first of all, demonstrate the whole exercise, and notice how I lean over to get that range of motion, and I also turn my head. That's another technical aspect to teach your clients. And then you can really focus by tapping the knee, take it out, bring the knee up, bring the feet down. Then I would then say, now let's do it on the opposite side. Knee, kick, knee, down, knee, kick, knee, down. Okay, so knee, and then arms go forward. Remember, they don't go down. I know, I just saw that. I just picked that up on myself. So kick and push forwards. Kick and push forwards, remembering to bring the knee in, right? Then I would then teach them go back to the right and add the rebound. So the rebound would be, if you're doing it on the frame, very easy to demonstrate, and I would do it using the frame this way because it's a little bit more comfortable. You could also sit on the back of the frame and bring the knee up, and then demonstrate, of course, the arms, which they will remember from the previous try with the feet down. You can also then demonstrate it on the chair. Hold the back of the chair, bring the knee up, kick out, bring the knee up, bring your feet down so you don't lose your balance, but hold the chair to assist you, because this is awkward. Yeah, this, you know, you might be able to do it. It depends on the height of the chair, you know, in reference to your body height, correct? Now, you've done that on the right, you've done that on the left. So the next move is the jump forwards and back. Now you might start with just the arms first and get them to pull themselves forward and pull the arms back, focusing on the hand movement, and then add the legs. Now this is really effective in making sure that they use their arms effectively, forwards, back. So once you add the jump, I like to turn the frame this way, and I teach them to jump forwards and to jump back using the arms. So jump forwards as your arms go back, jump back as your arms go forward. So you've taught that. So you've done the side kick grounded, side kick with rebound, now the jump forwards and back, beginning with the arms, then adding the legs. Now, you've got a couple of choices here. You could go straight to doing the kick on the right, and then with the jump forwards and back, and then the kick on the left. But what I did in my class was I broke it down even further. So I said, okay everyone, we're going to jump, kick out, jump, feet down, jump forwards, jump back. Then we went back to the right. So kick out, down, forwards, back, and right, down, forwards, back. After I showed them the legs, it's time for the arms. So out, forwards, jump back. And notice I'm not jumping, I'm sort of stepping quickly. But I think the key thing here is to show them the legs first using something like an aqua frame. Very tricky to do it on the chair. The only other alternative is go out, push, jump, and back, and hopefully they'll understand to bring their knees up high, and that's where you'll use your chair. I would then teach it on the left. So out, forwards, jump back, and then you could reverse pyramid, 8 on one side, 8 on the other, or you can go straight into doing 1 on each side. So then you've got this side kick, down, forwards, back. Remember, they've got to tuck up to go into the side kick, down, forwards, back. Side kick, down, forwards, back. Side kick. Remember, arms go forwards, forwards, back. And that's how I would break that whole sequence down in a class. Look, it actually took a good 5 to 6 minutes in the class. Great cardio. It was sort of really cool how they could see it building. Fun little routine. And thank you very much, Lauren, in our Aqua Mentoring group for sharing that cool little sequence together, because we got so much mileage out of it. So if you're interested in the Aqua Mentoring group, go ahead, click on the link, and it's going to take you to a whole world of great exercises, great class formats, all sorts of strategies on how to deal with members and management, everything you possibly need to know as an Aqua instructor for a very small $25 Australian a month. All right, that is this week's Aqua Tip.